That's fine. Just get it out of here. Don't. Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? I'm sorry, this has been a while coming. I was off doing important things, like not giving a shit. I had recorded all the footage and I just went, can't be bothered. But, well, guess I can be bothered now. So, yeah, we got the car running. We got the car starting. Now it's time to actually get the car moving. Yes, roll the footage. Well, with the car being a certified banger, it's time to do a bit of maintenance. Make sure it's running schmicko. Now, really, at the end of the day, it is a Toyota. We could probably send it in should be right. But this car has been done dirty, so we got to make it right. Now, as you probably saw in the previous video, a mouse has gotten a little bit too comfortable inside this interior and had the time of his life. And no matter what anyone says about me, I don't like sitting in poo, so we got to sort that one out. Now, I did do a basic clean last time I was here. That made it so I didn't need a hazmat suit to sit in it, but really, if I'm going to drive this car, I'd actually like to drive in something that isn't smelling like shit. Now, unlike usual, we're not going to half-job Harry this. We're going to pull that entire interior out, clean it, and then also clean behind it, because that's where all the poo is. I'm really not looking forward to this job, but they say, out with the old, in with the less shitty. With all that hard work, we're going to answer the age-old question, how much can you polish a turd? Well, as it turns out, you can actually polish it so much that you'd think even a diamond would let off a slippery gypsy. Now, before you get to see this spanking job I did, just want to remind you of what absolute festy shit was going on in here. Yes, that's right. Look at that. Drink it in. Smell it through the screen. Yep. Get it in there. All right, roll the music. Now that we've got Stuart Little to fuck off, it's time to do the brakes because they look pretty rusty. Now, some absolute troglodyte cut massive holes in the front bumper to put foggies in, and they didn't have the common decency to leave them in there. So, because I'm a JDM fanboy, I've got to have me little yellow fogs now, don't I? So I know you're asking yourself, how schmick does that look, mate? Well, check this out, mate. I'm too sexy for my shirt. Too sexy for my shirt. So sexy it hurts. I am too sexy for Milan. Too sexy for Milan, New York and Japan. Now somehow, and don't ask me how, I managed to get my hands on a 4AGZE fuel regulator. So none of that bulk stock Corolla crap. We're going royalty. Now, if you remember me mentioning in the previous video, with the purchase of this car actually came the spare shell. Now, unfortunately, the shell itself was not in good condition and I had nowhere to store it. So I had to tell the seller, look, you're going to have to deal with that one on your own. And thankfully, he has found a new home for it. But not before I went and stole some parts, because being the coupe, there are a few coupe-specific parts that I just couldn't find elsewhere. So went in with the screwdriver and give them the old heave-ho, and then it's someone else's problem. Oh, look at those CDs. What have we got here?
A miscellaneous CD.
Step Up to Music Soundtrack 2008. Oh, we know what we're listening to on the way home.
Yes.
I hope maybe this thing does have a CD player. No CD? Bullshit. Oh, well, we're jamming that when we get back. Oh, we got here. Oh, another front headlight. I'm pretty sure that's the same as the Corolla. Yeah, I really don't think this boot is much better than mine. But we'll take it. Yeah. Oh, look at all the rust in the corners here. Yeah. You grab the other side. Oh, there would be. Oh, that's the one thing I needed for mine. It's the horn. I completely forgot about that. That's alright. Yeah, we'll live. There's no horn piece in there, is there? Problem is, it's too fucked. It's too far gone. There's too much rust everywhere. It's not worth the job, really. But if you needed a quarter panel, like a cut of it, perfect for that. Absolutely perfect. I should take those rear lights because they're hard to get. Poor thing. It doesn't deserve this fate. It's what creature did this car piss off in a previous life to deserve this fate? I think that's a quarter. No, is it Toyota? That is weird. It's not one of the quarter panel windows.
What's that?
That's the speaker. Oh, that. I don't know what that is. What's this? Return of goods. Oh, because there's a lot of factory sealed parts here.
Yeah.
I don't even know what they're for.
What's that?
It's all factory, so I'm going to say it was for this car.
I think we're going to get that.
Okay. Me sad, right? It really makes me sad. Because this car would have left the factory looking fucking schmick. And now it's just been relegated to this, just rotting here. Oh, I'll take that because mine's completely arsed out. Oh, look at all the fucking poo in there. That's disgusting. This is grot. Okay, it kind of deserves its fate now. It's fucking grot. Beautiful. Genuine. Of course, a bit genuine. ECU, good. There we go. God, it looks so weird because there's just no weight in the front. It's off it. Goodbye, you piece of shit. Hope you have a good life.
Oh my god, wow.
Hope you have a good life in whatever the fuck happens to you next. What?
Oh.
Now that we have got the cart running and driving, unfortunately the wheels it came with, the MR2 wheels, the tyres, absolutely cactus, couldn't use them. So I needed to put some proper wheels on with good tyres. And to be honest, wasn't super big fan of the MR2 wheels, just didn't do it for me, you know, not super period specific for me. So I decided out with the old, in with the new. Now that leaves us the decision of what we need to choose. I copped a lot of crap in my Corolla video for putting Avids on a Corolla because apparently that's just heresy. And, you know, apparently I was supposed to buy proper JDM wheels because I'm made of money. But I thought for this car, fair enough, we'll put some proper nice wheels on it. So I did a little browsing and I found these XR4 Longchamps in Melbourne. I'm from SA, this is from a different state, and I got scammed. Yep, that's right, I got swindled. I got hang on, there he fucking is. What the fuck, cunt?
Potato head. I like to scare people off my advice. Potato head. Well, I think I'm hot shit. Potato head. I hope you don't like money. Potato head. Cause it's all in my bank account now. Potato head. I really hope you weren't excited about those wheels. Potato head. Cause you're never getting them now. Potato head. Cause I just like to suck dick. Potato head. Cause I'm a massive fuckwit.
Alright, I got him. Got my money back, thankfully. But now we're out a set of wheels. So what are we going to put on this car? That's right. Just for you, my friend. The one that got super salty for putting Avids on a car. I got more Avids sucked in, dickhead. You're gonna love this one. It is now time to get this car running and see if we can go for a little bit of a nip around the corner. How well it will go, time will tell. But I'll be honest, I'm not super keen, but it's gotta happen sometime. That was almost worth it, actually. Oh, now you're gonna get me. Here, let me close the bonnet. Well, it hasn't moved since I got it. It's been sitting there for 2 months. That is one hell of an exhaust leak. That is one hell of an exhaust leak. Whoa. How do I stop those? Yeah, see that? I'm gonna stop it for a sec. Why? Just make sure it's got enough oil. That does not look fucking healthy. I reckon with a nice exhaust, that'll sound pretty good. I reckon with a nice exhaust, that will sound pretty good. Now, as always, we ran into a little bit of a problem. Unfortunately, the temperature gauge would max out almost instantly. However, the car would only run for, say, a minute before it would actually max. At first, we thought it was something to do with the hydraulic system, you know, the water pump not working, the thermostat not opening, air in the system, yada, yada, yada. But then we realized after a fair bit of testing that it appeared that the dash itself had gone bad. Now that does raise the question, we can't adequately test the temperature of the car to make sure it wasn't overheating. That will be a problem that we need to sort out at a later date, but we were confident it wasn't overheating. So with that, we might as well just send it. There you go. So just leave it off then.
What? No, that's the ignition one. Not that one. That one should be just the fan.
I mean, we could leave that one on because that one will at least.
So there must be an engine version of that.
Oh wait, no, just keep going. I'm just reading it.
drive again?
Well, it's past half. Just hit the red.
Yeah,
God, it's got one hell of an exhaust leak under it. I can hear it.
Are you going to back it out?
No, I don't want to drive it. I just sit here and admire it.
Yeah, okay. Do you want me to see if it works?
Well,
Give it a go?
probably should. Well, what else do we do? Just sit here?
Connect the back onto that.
No.
Really cold now.
Sorry?
Really cold?
Oh, mate, problem solved. Maybe a little too cold. Maybe we better rev it. How's the clutch now that... We did try and bleed it. Is it actually engaging? Okay. Wouldn't miss this one for the world. Where are you actually going with it? Okay. That's fine. Just get it out of here. See ya. Oh. It's nice knowing it. I guess it looks good driving away. Hopefully it doesn't overheat. Don't! A lot of smoke coming out the back. Yeah. Yeah, the Prelude did it. Maiden Void. Yeah, no, we're good. No, you're right. How's it drive?
Fine. Nice. There's a lot of rattles.
Yeah.
But I think they're all ancillary bullshits. You know, I have, what do you call that?
I think what I'll do...
That's 17-year-old fluid, isn't it?
Yeah. God knows how long.
How well they work there.
Yeah. That's a Toyota, mate. You just dig it out of a barn, start her up, she'll be right.
You're right.
I will be keen to actually drive it myself. But I'm kind of surprised. It did look good on the road. It really did look good. It didn't sound good. Yeah, I think only one speaker's working. You were right, Mr. Michael. This car sounds like absolute dog shit. It sounds worse than a Golf with a crackle tune, and we all know how average that sounds.
Slow down!
After a bit of investigating, we found it was the middle section. It had gone the way of the dodo and went completely fucked. So it was time to come out and assess our options.
Oh, that's funny. Oh, we got a bit of gas there, mate. That looks a bit crunchy. Look at that. Delish. One more.
I think we found the source of the estrogen pizza.
professional opinion, is it fucked?
This fucking bastard, we can probably patch and repair that.
But why would you?
Yeah, it's fucked. So what we'll do is we'll slice down here,
Yep.
slice down here.
Yep.
We'll measure up the angles like that, and then I'll tack a piece, cut that to what I reckon shape, tack it in there.
Yep.
Bring it up, check that the alignments and bits and pieces. Swear that fucking thing doesn't fit. Come back here, tack it again.
It's not exhaust work unless you have to do it 3 times.
Well, without it being here.
Life motto there.
Yes.
Well, I don't even have a race car. What am I doing wrong?
Exactly. Well, you got 5 cars. One of them's a race car.
What are you talking about? The Corolla, that thing. Alright,
Just try it.
Yeah, that's alright. Exhaust leak? What exhaust leak?
Yeah, replace all the exhaust leak.
Yeah, with another one.
Yeah, so when you get a chance, just well, you can do it now.
Bloody boiler leak shows on to the road with right. We should have drive the car. Off we go. Have those cool designs because you're a cool dude who welds heavy metal.
Came with a welder.
Came with the welder. No, I think you went out and purchased that one.
Grinder I ain't.
Grinder and paint makes me the welder I ain't.
Yeah. Now, are you comfortable that we're going to weld this up and you're going to be able to stretch and move everything in place?
Look, comfort's relative, isn't it? And the rule is to set it on fire by going through the metal, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
The more holes you can get.
Yeah, okay,
It's an
good.
exhaust.
Yeah.
It needs to dampen
It
itself.
needs to breathe, you know.
Right, do you want to give it a go?
Well, want to is also a relative term, but should learn.
How old are those clothes?
Pretty old, why?
You happen to get burns in them? That sounded much better. Jesus, that's the best weld of the day.
Alright, when you get it, you get it.
Right, you're coming to that's a good weld. Yeah, it's that terrible.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, look at that. It's my alien growing.
Okay, I'm going to edit that out. I'm going to leave it on her. I did a really good job in it. Like grinding holes. That's a little bit suggestive. With the exhaust fixed, I had no more excuses. I had to take the car for a drive. So it was time to pull a pin in this mama jamma and get this thing started. And let's just hope we don't break down in the process. Oh shit, now I've jinxed it. What are you? She's spry. Fucking look at that. Boost! Supercharge! Oh, that is so cool. Oh, I love it. Oh, that is fucking cool. I'll give it a bit down there. All right. Dude, this thing is fucking killer. Oh my god. Yeah, just gonna say hello there. The gearbox is gonna take a little bit of getting used to. You really gotta beat the fuck out of it. But fuck, the clutch is so much nicer. Fuck, I couldn't be happy. I pulled in because it's home time traffic now, so the streets are kind of filling up. But I am fucking looking forward to going for another rip up down those streets. I reckon I'll start driving it a bit more regularly because shit, it is just so pleasant to drive. Like, it is so smooth. No, very happy, very pleased. Just look forward to the next little escapade and the poor thing. I'm gonna let it cool down now. I still don't have a temperature gauge on it, so I would like to put one in before I actually do any, serious kilometers, but nah, she's a good one. With a confirmed banger, it's time to give the exterior a bit of love. Make sure she's looking like the daddy and beast she is. Now, because I'm a little bit of a fucking nerd, I bought myself a 3D scanner. I've always been interested in 3D printed car parts, and you can only do so much with photogrammetry scanning and kind of eyeballing it. So I thought, let's just do it. Let's get a 3D scanner. And I thought, oh, that front really could add a little bit more on there. So I decided for my first little foray into the 3D scanning space, I'll make myself a front lip. Thankfully, a lip isn't too complicated. It was pretty easy to design. Basically, you just take a scan of the front bumper and extend it, and I just put some little speed holds to make it go faster. Yes, not too shabby at all. So yes, that is the end of the video. We've got some things we need to sort out. There is a very nasty wheel bearing, and we've got to sort out the car's idling a little highly. We've got to fix that. Yeah, things. There are things for the next video. Don't worry. If I can be bothered, there's plenty of things to do if I can be bothered. But on that one, pretty much done for today. Fuck off. Nah. You can hang around if you want. We could clean. That's surely to let you fuck off. I want some ice cream.